Unit number 4, spatial data analysis. So, in last unit, we study about the spatial referencing and positioning. After positioning the data, the next phase is spatial data analysis. So, the concept which is related to the analysis of a GIS is every function in this category is performed on a single data layer and often using the associated attribute data. Classification allows the assignment of its features. So there are different distinctions are available here. In that, classification, retrieval, and measurement functions. So to analyze the data, these three different functions are used here. In that, first one is classification. So classification allows the assignment of features to a class on the basis of attribute values or attribute ranges. And on the basis of this reflectance characteristics found in raster pixels may be classified representing the different crops such as cotton, jute. So suppose there is an area like this, okay, and in this area the classification are made depends upon the attribute values or attribute ranges such as patterns. So suppose in this area having the crop as a cotton, okay, so on this area is covered by this uh, crop such as a cotton, and another area, suppose this is the another area, and this area is captured by this jute crop. Suppose there is a wheat crop, so that area is covered by this another crop. So this classification is made here by using this spatial data analysis. Okay, so in that, first one is classification. So this is the classification concept. That means the area is classified depends upon the attribute values and the attribute ranges. Okay, then another concept is retrieval. So the retrieval function allows the selective search of the data. So for example, retrieve all agriculture fields where cotton is grown. Okay, so suppose retrieval means selective search. Suppose there are the areas, suppose this is first area, then this is second area, then this is third area. So the selected area is taken from this surface. So that is the selective search of data. म्हणजे या एरियामध्ये कॉटन कुठे आहे या, for example, that area which contains the cotton crop. So suppose this is area and this is all area is covered by the cotton. So this area is selected by using the retrieval function. Then the another one is generalization. So generalization is a function that joins different classes of object with common characteristic to a higher level class. So for example, we might generalize fields where potato and maize and possibly other crops are grown as खरीफ क्रॉप fields. ओके, सो याच्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं तर जनरलायझेशन म्हणजे कंबाईन केलं जातं. दॅट मीन्स कॉमन. सो सपोज देर आर दी 3 crops are there in this field. So that field is combined and that are named as kharif crop fields. So it is one by using the generalization. म्हणजे जनरलायझेशन यूज करून पर्टिक्युलर एरिया काय केले जातात, कंबाईन केले जातात. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज generalization. And next one is measurement. So measurement function allows the calculation of distances, lengths or areas. So here the distance are measured, then lengths are measured related to the areas. Okay, so ह्याच्यामध्ये हे कॅल्क्युलेशन करण्यासाठी हे मेजरमेंट यूज केलं जातं. So these functions are used for the data analysis, which is classification, then retrieval, generalization and measurement. Okay, so in that, just study in the it is in detail. So the data retrieval involves the selective search of the data, and measurement, which includes the counting, distance and area size communication, and there are another measurements are also available, which is spatial selective queries. So that spatial selective queries, that means the data is collected using the queries. Suppose there is the query just like select all features within a specified radius of a specified point. Then all the information within that specific radius is taken. ओके, म्हणजे त्या स्पेसिफिक रेडियस मध्ये जो काही डेटा मिळणार आहे तर तो डेटा याच्यामध्ये कन्सिडर केला जातो. सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन द क्वेरीज, दिस इज ऑल्सो युज्ड. So the classification is a technique for purposely removing detail from an input data set and in the hope of revealing important patterns. Okay, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये जो जेवढा डेटा गरजेचा आहे तर तेवढाच डेटा याच्यामध्ये कन्सिडर केला जातो आणि जो रिमेनिंग डेटा आहे तर तो रिमूव्ह केला जातो बाय युजिंग दी क्लासिफिकेशन concept. Then in that the another function is used which is overlay function. So this is most important function in this concept is overlay function. So overlay function is a technique of combining two spatial data layers and producing a third from them. So suppose there are two spatial data layers and by combining that two data layers the next one is created. Okay, याच्यामध्ये next area काय केला जातो, create केला जातो. So there are different types of this that means operators are used for this overlay function. So first of all, see this, I'm just explaining you. So many GIS support overlays through an algebraic language expressing an overlay function as a formula in which the data layer are the arguments. So for example, we can find the cotton field on the black soil. ओके, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं आहे तर कॉटन फील्ड ऑन ब्लॅक सॉइल, म्हणजे ब्लॅक सॉइल असते तर त्याच्यावरती कॉटन फील्ड कुठे आहेत तर हे फाइंड आउट करायचे आहे. देर आर डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल्स आर अवेलेबल. ओके, सो ऑन we here we consider only a black soil, and on black soil where is the cotton field available, so that field is find out by using this overlay function. Overlay function चा यूज करून आपण या टाइपची इन्फॉर्मेशन फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. So select the cotton cover in the crop data layer and the black cover in the soil data layer and perform an interaction. Okay, sorry, intersection तुम्हाला माहिती असेल, union intersection. So intersection is applied on this and the cotton field on black soil is find out. That are applied on the data which is saved. म्हणजे डेटाबेस मध्ये जो डेटा सेव्ह होणार आहे तर त्यावरती हे फंक्शन्स अप्लाय केले जातात आणि त्याच्यातून ही इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट केली जाते. देन दी अनदर एक्झाम्पल इज द फील्ड्स वेअर कॉटन और जवार इज द क्रॉप. म्हणजे असे कोणते फील्ड आहेत की ज्याच्यामध्ये कॉटन प्लस जवार हे क्रॉप्स आहेत. सो फॉर दॅट सिलेक्ट बोथ एरियाज ऑफ कॉटन अँड जवार cover in the crop data layer and take their union. Okay, याच्यामध्ये union function apply केलं जातं. So all of you know number, for example A and B, then A intersection B or A union B. Okay, intersection means all the fields from A set and B set. Union means, and intersection means the common fields that are in A set and B set. So that functions are used in this overlay function. Then the another example is the cotton field not on red soil. ओके, म्हणजे रेड सॉइल मध्ये नसणारे जे काही कॉटन फील्ड्स आहेत तर ते कॉटन फील्ड्स इथे शो करायचे आहेत. ओके, कॉटन फील्ड्स म्हणजे काय तर कापसाची जी शेती असते तर त्या दॅट आर कम्स अंडर दिस कॉटन फील्ड्स. ओके, देन दी फील्ड्स दॅट डू नॉट हॅव व्हीट ॲज अ क्रॉप, म्हणजे असे फील्ड फाइंड आउट करायची आहेत की ज्या एरियावरती व्हीट म्हणजे गव्हाची शेती नाहीये किंवा हे गव्हाचं पीक नाहीये, तर असा एरिया फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे तर त्याच्यासाठी आपण हे कॉम्प्लिमेंट फंक्शन यूज करू शकतो. ओके, सो दॅट फंक्शन्स आर युज्ड इन दिस ओव्हरले फंक्शन. सो ऑल ऑफ यू नोन अबाउट दिस ओव्हरले फंक्शन. सो फॉर दॅट आय एम शोइंग यू वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल. So suppose there is an area like this. So this is the first area and this is the second area. In that the union intersection concepts are used here. Okay, so this is the first area suppose, and this is the second area. That this area is called as a area, and this is the B area. Okay, and in this area there are the another different options are available. That means the fields are available. Okay, and in that okay, so this area is D. This area is E and F. Okay, so depends upon that the third area is created here. So that area is like this, and in that it combines the another, it define the new data layer combining these two. ओके, याच्यामध्ये जर सपोज आपण वेक्टर लेअर ऑपरेटर यूज केला आणि या दोन एरियाचा एक कंबाईन एरिया क्रिएट करायचा आहे, अँड फॉर दॅट इट क्रिएट्स द न्यू एरिया. So suppose consider this is the area A and this is the B and this is C, D, E, F. So this new area is created here. So in that area it combines A plus C. So that area have the value A plus C. Okay, that means it creates the new area by including this A plus this area of C, and this new layer is created. याच्यामध्ये new layer इथे create झालेला आहे. Okay, then again the new area is created here. So that area includes the area of A and area of E. Okay, area A चा area आणि E चा area कन्सिडर करून याच्यामध्ये न्यूली काय केलेलं आहे, फील्ड क्रिएट केलेलं आहे. सो दॅट एरिया इन्क्लूड्स दी एरिया ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट फील्ड ऑफ ए अँड इन सेकंड विच इज एरिया ऑफ ई. सो द रिमेनिंग एरिया इज कम्स अंडर दिस बी. ओके, सो रिमेनिंग एरिया बी मध्ये आहे, त्यामुळे ह्या डी आणि एफ आहे यांचं जे कॉम्बिनेशन आहे तर ते कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करून याच्यामध्ये एरिया आपण differently area create करू शकतो. Suppose I want to create this new area, so that area includes the B plus E. That means some part of B and some part of D. So that that is created here or used here. Then I am again going to create the another field using the area. Which is here, that is B plus, I'm taking the information or the field from this F field. So that area is created here, that is B plus F. So the remaining is comes under from this D and E. Okay, sorry, D and F. हा जो remaining area आहे तो तुम्ही बघू शकता, इथे B आहे, इथे D आहे आणि इथे F आहे. So I'm going to create this area here by using this B plus D plus F. So that data is created here. So this new vector data layer is created here. So for that this union function is used. So plus is denoted by the union function. So this data is created here. So this overlay function are used like this. ओव्हरले फंक्शन आपण या टाइप मध्ये काय करू शकतो, यूज करू शकतो इन डिटेल, किंवा आपल्याला जर प्रॉपरली हे यूज करायचं असेल सिस्टीम मध्ये किंवा ग्राफिकल रिप्रेझेंटेशन साठी, तर ह्याच्यासाठी हे ओव्हरले फंक्शन्स यूज होऊ शकतात. This neighborhood function, whereas overlay combine features at the same location, neighborhood function evaluate the characteristic of an area surrounding a feature location. A neighborhood function scans the neighborhood of the given feature and performs a computation on it. So its search functions allow the retrieval of features that fall within a given search window. So the window may be a rectangle, circle, or a polygon. So for the neighborhoods, this function is used. So for example, where to use this neighborhood analysis? So, and how to use that neighborhood analysis? So there is some target location, and on that this neighborhood functions are applied. So buffer zone generation, that is called as a buffering. So it is one of the best known neighborhood function, and it determines a spatial envelope and a given around a given features. So the created buffer may have a fixed width or a variable width that depends upon characteristics of the data. So suppose you want to define the particular area with a fixed size. So there is a good way to use this neighborhood function. So this is the another one. Then connectivity function. So this function works on the basis of network, including road network, then water courses in coastal zones, then communication lines in mobile telephones. So these networks represents the spatial linkages between them. So to do or to maintain that connectivities, this connectivity function is used. आता कनेक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजे बघा, रोड्स आहेत तर रोड्स हे काय असतात तर कनेक्टेड असतात. सपोज कम्युनिकेशन लाईन्स असतील तर मोबाईल फोन्सच्या असतील किंवा टेलिफोनिक लाईन्स असतील तर त्या कनेक्टेड असतात. सो दॅट लाईन्स आर कनेक्टेड with each other and it is easy to maintain by using these connectivity functions. तर हे कनेक्टिव्हिटीज असतात तर त्या मेंटेन करण्यासाठी याच्यामध्ये हे कनेक्टिव्हिटी फंक्शन यूज केलं जातं. सो बेसिक example is road network, then water coastal zones, then communication lines in mobile telephones. So that are used this connectivity function. Okay, is there any problem related to this point? Then tell me. Okay, otherwise mention your roll number in a chat box.